So I was kind of digging around my stash and I wanted to use this sign. But I was thinking, I was like, you know what? I was like, this would be really cute if, it says welcome, and then if you're expecting a little girl for baby shower or baby shower gift or something, you could put welcome baby and then whatever the baby's name is. I think that'd be really cute for a baby shower gift. Okay, so on my metal sign, like I said, these are metal signs. They are printed and pressed there at the Deco Exchange warehouse. Um, but I put in my cable tie mounts on the back, one in the two in the two in the back, and they're both in the middle because I want this to go on my grapevine just like this, because I want some florals on this side. Okay, but yeah, I think that would look really cute if you made this as a baby shower gift, um, just something for the mom to put on the door. And I think this sign comes in other colors, if I'm not mistaken. I think there's a blue one. There might be a blue one. Don't quote me on that. There might be a blue one. So I want to make a bow. So I'm making a tail at 7 inches. We're going to go ahead and this is where we're going to play and see if that's going to be too big. A 7-inch loop, pinch and twist. Another 7-inch loop, pinch and twist. Yep, that's perfect. That's exactly what I want. I don't want it to be too big. Y'all, Deco Exchange has so many different signs. It's not even funny. Like, there's a lot of signs on their website. So we did our 7-inch loops. Now we're gonna go in with an 8-inch loop, and I'm gonna make 4 of these loops. 4 of my 8-inch loops of that quatrefoil pattern, pinch and twist. And y'all know pinch and twist is really important because if I wouldn't have pinched that and made a loop, look, it would have just been that brown color on there, and that's what I don't want. I want to be able to see that pattern of that ribbon. Pinch and twist, and like I said, we're making 4 loops. Pinch and twist. Make the tail. So now we're going to go to 9 inches. Pinch and twist. Even though this has no definite pretty or ugly side, I still always do that pinch and twist too. Always do the pinch and twist. It's kind of just out of habit as well. Pinch and twist. Cutting my ribbon tail. I'll lift up my middle finger. I'm gonna get a zip tie. And before I really cinch this closed, I want to make sure that my loops and my tails are going in the right direction that I want them to. And they sure are. Okay. And I'm going to run it through the grapevine wreath right across from my sign. You could definitely stop here. I'm not gonna stop there. I want to add in some florals. But y'all, look how this stem looks when it comes out of the package. It's really important to play with your florals and really get the most bang for your buck out of them, y'all. So I am going to split this up into 3 picks. We got 1, 2, and 3. This is going to be our taller pick, so I'm going to save that. I'm going to run some hot glue on that stem. Coming up back behind that bow, we're going to just run that in to our grapevine. And next, I want to come back behind that first greenery, the first piece that we stuck in there, and kind of just start layering that in there. Okay, so next I want to get my third stem, and I'm just going to bend it just a little bit to kind of go along the shape of that grapevine. So with me giving that little bit of bend, I'm able to stick that into my grapevine. I am going to glue that. So now we're going to come back up under that bow. I'm going to place this floral stem right into there. So coming up right under that first stem that we put in there. Have a little bit of a bend to this stem. Not a big drastic one, but it's going to offer for those florals to go in a separate, in a different direction than coming straight down. Okay, so I'm going to just trim up this lamb's ear stem that I have. Coming with some hot glue. I want to come in between those stems that the second stems that I put in. Attaching that to my grapevine. So I am going to tuck some in to where my bow is. So look how we've added that lamb's ear. Now lamb's ear is so popular right now.